Hey you guys, so I'm making a steak and salad for dinner today, and in this bowl right here I'm going to make a butter because I'm also making garlic bread. Well, my version of a garlic bread anyway. I have a stick and a half of butter, salt, pepper, Parmesan cheese, garlic, cilantro, and parsley, and jalapeno. This is optional, you don't have to use it. I like the spice, so I'm using it. Mix it up, smear the bread, pop it in the oven. Alright you guys, so this is what it looks like after you mix it up really well, and this is how it looks on the bread. I'll make sure I have my exact measurements in my description box, but you know, you can put whatever you want in your butter. I didn't use all of it. You want to add like a semi-thin layer, you don't want to add too much. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to season your steak, season however you prefer. You can use all-purpose seasoning, you can use salt and pepper. I'm using my own spice. Again, the spice is available in April. And marinate this however you want. Then we're just going to stir it off. You cook it to the temperature you prefer. I don't like well done steak, so I'm probably going to do 3 to 4 minutes per side, if that. Alright y'all, I made a very simple salad. I already have enough going on with that bread and the meat. So I have spinach, cucumber, tomato, and a little bit of Parmesan, but you know, throw whatever you want in your salad. Alright, so I'm cooking my steak in coconut oil. And I'm about to flip it, and that's it for me. You guys, look at this garlic bread. Like, I can't even deal. Like, look at this bread. Alright you guys, so this is what the plate looks like. I sliced up a steak after I let it rest for about 5 minutes. In the bottom is like the juices from the steak and the butter that I added down there, and of course juices that came from the lemon. And yeah, so I'm about to give this to babe. And I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. It's just quick and easy, and I'll catch you guys on my next one. Bye guys.